We're going to knead the bar, then we can wrap it over like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, because she's got more on her side, right?
Yeah.
Come a little bit right under the middle, because we can always take out the slack. We can't go back.
That's the slack.
Yeah, that's good.
The same one.
Yeah, and like I said, we can always tighten it.
Is that good, actually?
Now, how do you?
Yeah, but you
gotta be really good. You did a good job. And then twist it, right? And that's the way.
Oh, that's cool. But she has to do it on the other side too.
And then
No. You do it from the end. The end.
Yeah, be in the middle of the bar like she is. See how she's in the middle of her bar?
No.
See, you're in the middle, right?
You
know what? Let's get a ruler. Well, even though this thing can slide, but.
So we do 3 of each color.
Okay.
So we do have to be sort of,
Right.
you know, together. I don't know.
Oh, me too.
Like 3
Okay.
of each color.
Yeah.
3 of each color.
Yeah.
We're being sort.
Look at this.
You need to do the white and the red to break them out.
Okay. So we're not really fair.
You always. I swear that. What was he doing? Yeah, he was doing it on the floor.
Let's try it.
I think undo yours a little because yours is too tight. I really do. Yeah. We have to do like the same amount of that because. Wait, undo yours.
I don't know.
Let me undo mine.
It's too tilted this way.
Oh, maybe.
We have to turn the same amount because then it's going to tilt.
Okay.
It's getting a little better. Hold on. I don't know if guys tell us. No, it's not good. Undo yours a little bit. Yeah.
That's good.
That's good. Wait. Keep on doing yours. Straight. Okay, so I think we should do it a little more up at the same amount.
Yeah.
So like just go really slowly. I think.
Tell me what happens when you turn it. Does it turn this way? Does it tilt this way? Because whenever I turn it, it tilts this way.
Let me see something now. We have this. I wonder if this has an effect. I'm not sure. If this is one is not centered, one is it is.
Maybe because like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this says
Hers is
20. We said again, like look at this one over here is off balance. So we have to create a shift over to this side. So find ones that like look here's another one that's a bit off balance. And so you periodically from place to place you create a gentle shift in this direction.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Oh, you're holding it, I see.
Yeah.
That's why there's one. This is straight. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Oh, it's so cool. I like how we set up the colors because you can tell.
It's so colorful, really.
Yeah. So you guys remember what kind of wave that is?
Tremors.
Right.
Do you think we still need more?
Now let's just see what we got from now. Just finish out that last little row. Yeah, get that away from there. Yeah. Yeah, fill that gap in there. That one was there one more gap to fill in?
See, it slows down.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Back up. What are you doing? Like harder. Oh, I'm sorry. Yay! Yay! I think you're always better.
Yeah, that's it. Well, let's get some tape on it. Let's get going.
Yeah.
Stop. Hit the red button.